Hello. Welcome to YouCook World channel. Smartphone Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus based on SoC Exynos 9820 lit up in the test in Q2 in a few months. The presentation of new Samsung smartphones is expected within the flagship line of the Galaxy S10. One of them, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, has already appeared in the Q2 test suite database. And these data indicate that the device has a very high performance. The Q2 test was launched on a version of the Galaxy S10 Plus, model number SMG975F, equipped with the recently announced Samsung Exynos 9820 processor, 6GB RAM and built-in 128GB flash memory. The device contains a display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The device is running the operating system Android 9 Pie. Judging by the test in Q2, the upcoming flagship smartphone is gaining a little more than 325,000 points. And this result exceeds the performance of all Android smartphones on the market. However, the number of points scored does not reach the result of the smartphone based on the Snapdragon 8150 chipset, which was discovered several weeks ago, 362.3 thousand points. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.